Alright guys, so today I have a new EZT-2200 and it will be going in the mower. Just said screw it, we'll just get another one and we'll try that out. So we'll just go ahead and start tearing this one apart and see what we can do. So let's get it. Alright guys, so put it on the jack, got the new Hydrogear in. I was testing it like it says in the manual, but that's if you're trying to purge it. But reverse, and I have it throttle low, so that's a little slow, but it still looks slow in reverse. But I tested it full speed, and throttle all the way up, wide open, and speed is perfect, like they match. But only thing is, reverse over here is a little slow. So I don't know what it's good enough. It's better than what it was. I mean, it's a new one, but I might purge it. I'm gonna open this the fill plug. Let me shut it off. Open the fill plug and then let it move it a few times backwards and forward, and then put it at neutral, and then gonna do the same thing, like it says in the manual. So I'm gonna try that. So I added a little bit of oil to it. I could see it really suck down when I went forward, and not as much when I went backward, but it really drew down the level. I don't know if you can see. Let's see, but you can kind of see the oil level in there. And I believe I put it in the right spot. It has to be above that bracket right there compared to the diagram. And but yeah, so we'll see how that does. All right, let's try this again. Back looks really slow. Slower than the right side. But let's try this puppy out. Let's see what we can do. This is straight backwards. I'm going to the right. So low speed isn't bad. All right. So even with the new Hydrogear, reverse is still slower, even at full wide open throttle. I don't know what else to do about that. I don't know what to fix, why the old one is quicker. But at least forward is like, they're both even. Power feels even on both sides. And but yeah, maybe it'll work its way out. I believe I could use this. This should be plenty, but sucks I couldn't rebuild the other one, but I got a new one, so that works. Yep. I know it's kind of a goofy video, but thank you guys for watching.